Swimming is at your own risk. You know, some people say that they know swimming very well. They do swimming in town there, in Boma, or La Yibi, that's artificial swimming pool. But here we have the natural swimming pool, created by God. So the water comes straight from on top of the rock, then dives down. So it created the pool there. So that pool is very deep, and the shallow part is there for those who is learning. But for you, there's a point which we are going to take you and just sit, then you shower from there. Okay? Another one, be aware of a slippery rock. On the way going down, our way is not flat like this, so we have the rock, the slippery part is there, and the shaky one. You know the shaky rock, and to jump up, you step on the rock which is shaky, is there. But we are going to show you the shaky one and the slippery one. Are we together? So always follow the instruction from the guide. I'm your guide. Okay? Yeah. Anya kakian gang. What's your pain?
Alright. Tool tours and the safari is limited. ARUU Falls tourist site. Here we come.
Jara Brian, working in ARUU Falls, Tool Tour and Safari Limited. We are here live with Anyaka Gang and Mukai. So here is the notice which have to follow when you're going down. The first thing is wear appropriate shoes. If you have the slippery shoes, you have to remove, you go barefoot. As my boss is now, yes, it's ready to go down. So don't cross the water when the fall is too strong. So nowadays we are in rainy season, so the water level is now high. Crossing somewhere there is not easy to the swimming pool, so we are going to stop at the first main channel. Okay? So we are going to
cái ngoài bây giờ cái nữa rồi cùng nhau cái này So if you can see from here, there are everything part you can see. But the last part is you see is the other side. Very far from here.
See the other one more.
yeah. So it's more than 7. It's one channel, 2 series, 4, and the other one is the other side. Yeah, but for us, we are going to cross this side, then we are going to stop there. We are not going to exit past that.
Some Mrs. Congo. Mrs. Moro.